Cabernet Franc is the same family like Cabernet Sauvignon, but this wine has a different flavor like Cabernet Sauvignon. The flavor is
very delicate, and that's a little bit a lower variety in our vineyard. We produced something about 2,000 bottles a year.
And each year is very different from the other, and that means that not each vintage we have a Cabernet Franc, because it's not so easy to harvest this one, because the content of sugar is very different from each year.
Yeah, the alcohol level by the Cabernet Franc every year about 14%, and a lower step of the acid, and that makes very good to taste.